question number 2. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. Okay, 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. So here two things we have. First one is cost of one pencil and cost of one pen. Okay, so we assume here cost of one pencil it is x and cost of one pen it is y. Here you can see in the background it is the solution of first question, but right now I try to write the equations here, and after that we go to the solution part. Okay, so x is our pencil and y is cost of one pen. Okay, so now we need to form our first equation. So we need to read our first line. 5 pencils and 7 pen together cost rupees 50. Now cost of one pencil it is x and cost of one pen it is y. Now if we buy 5 pencils, so total cost is equals to 5 into x, right? Because x it is the cost of one pencil, right? So we need to multiply number of pencils with the cost, so we can get total cost, right? If we get one pencil in x rupees, then we get 5 pencil in 5x rupees. 5 multiply x. Then plus we also buy 7 pens. Now cost of one pen is equals to y. So cost of 7 pens is equals to 7y, right? Because if we buy one pen in 5 rupees, then how many rupees we need to buy the 6 pen? Okay, so 6 5s are 30. We do the multiplication process. So same thing we do here. Cost of one pen is y and total 7 pen, so 7y. Now total cost is given, it is 50, right? Here it is given 50. So this is our first equation. 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. Okay, this is our first equation. Now for second equation, just read second line. 7 pencils and 5 pens. Now one pencil x and one pen, cost of one pen y. So cost of 7 pencils it is 7x and cost of 5 pens it is 5y, right? Similar things. And cost it is given rupees 46. So this is our second equation. 7x plus 5y is equals to 46. So our two equations are ready. Okay, now we represent these two equation on the graph. So we want at least 2 points for one line. Okay, so now we do that process. So here you can see our two equations. 5x plus 7y is equals to 50 and 7x plus 5y is equals to 46. Now just consider first equation. It is 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. Okay, now put the value x is equals to 0. Now if you put x is equals to 0 here, now just try it. In place of x it is 0 plus 7y is equals to 50. Okay, 5 into 0 0. So here 7y is equals to 50. Now transfer this 7 to the right hand side. So y is equals to, what you get here, y is equals to 50 by 7. It is not a whole number, right? It is not integer. That's why we do not consider this point, means x is equals to 0. Okay, we change our point. We can do this, but 50 by 7 it is somehow difficult to represent. We can represent it if we doing our calculation carefully, but right now we change our point because we want integer number for perfection. Okay, so here you can take x is equals to, here it is taken x is equals to 3, right? So take x is equals to 3. Now 5 into 3, here 7y and 50. Okay, so 5 3s are 15 plus 7y is equals to 50, right? Now transfer this 50 to the right hand side. So 7y is equals to, transfer this 15 to the right hand side. So 50 minus 15. So 7y is equals to 35. So y is equals to 35 by 7 is equals to 5. So if you put x is equals to 3, then you get y is equals to 5. Okay, this is our first point. Here it is written x is equal to 3, y is equals to 5. Okay, now just think about why we put here x is equals to 3. I'm not putting because it is given in the this PDF, but there is one reason. Okay, our equation first of all 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. Now we need to put such that kind of value of x here. So if we transfer this quantity to the left hand side, then our answer becomes a multiple of 7. Okay, if we transfer this 5x to the right hand side, so we need to put that kind of value of x, so that at last we get answer as a multiple of 7. Okay, now you know that 7 5s are 35, it is near about this. Okay, 7 5s are 35. So how we get 35 from the right hand side? If we want to if we want to get 35 to the right hand side, then here we need to 50 minus, we need to do this process, 50 minus 15, right? So how we get this 15? Here it is 5 given, right? So 5 3s are 15. That's why we put here x is equals to 3, because here we get 5x, that means 15, and if we transfer this 15 to the right hand side, then we get 35. Okay, now you can think that we cannot get any other, we cannot get any other multiple of 7 nearby 50. That's why we put this value. If you put 5 here, then it's 25, and 50 minus 25 you get 25. It is not multiple of 7, right? That's why we put x is equals to 3. Okay, then second, now just try this, y is equals to 0. So here 7x, sorry, this is the first equation, right? We want second equation. So y is equals to 0. 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. So 5x as it is, 7 in place of y 0. Okay, so 5x, here 7 into 0, it's a 0. So right now I do not write that. Okay, now transfer this 5 to the right hand side. So here x, in right hand side 50. This 5 is multiply with the x in left hand side, right? So if we transfer this 5 to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. So here 50 by 5. So x is equals to 10. So here we get integer value. So it's okay. So here x 10, y 0. Okay, here you can see 10 and 0, x 10, y 0. And second point is 3 5. Okay, so our 2 points are ready. Now for second line, it is 7x plus 5y is equals to 46, right? Now here you can see that if your this quantity becomes 0, then you get 7x is equals to 46. 46 is not a multiple of 7, then we cannot put y is equals to 0 here. Okay, if we put y is equals to 0, then our this quantity becomes 0. So finally we get 7x is equals to 46. Then we need to transfer this 7 to the denominator. Then 46 divided by 7. 46 is not a multiple of 7, right? So we do not use here. Second thing, if you put x is equals to 0, then your this quantity becomes 0. So it is cancelled, right? So you get 5y is equals to 46. Again, you need to transfer this 5 to the right hand side. So 46 divided by 5. Again, 46 is not a multiple of 5, right? So here we do not put x is equals to 0. So we need to take some different value of x and y, right? So just think about what value we can, which value we can put here. First of all, write down this. Now if you want to put value of y here, then you need to put such that kind of value that gives answer is a multiple of 7. Okay, now from 46 what quantity you can minus in a multiple of 5? If you minus 46 minus 5, then it is 41. 46 minus 10, it is 36. 46 minus, also one more thing. If you look at the table of 7, then what is the nearby value? It is 56. Okay, you can get 56 even here. So if you want to get 56 here, then you need to put plus 10 here. Okay, if you need to put plus 10 here, then you need minus 10 in the left hand side, right? Because our right hand side is a constant term, we cannot change it. Okay, here 46 is there. If we want to make it is 56, then we need to do plus 10 at the right hand side. So we want minus 10 in the left hand side, because if we transfer minus 10 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 10. Okay, so here in place of 5y, we want answer as a minus 10. Here plus 5 is already there, so we need to put here minus 2, because plus 5 multiply minus 2, it's a minus 10. 5 to the 10, plus minus minus, right? So we can put y is equals to minus 2. So that method we use here. So put y is equals to minus 2. So 7x plus 5 in place of y minus 2. Here 46. 7x plus minus minus 5 to the 10 is equals to 46. Now transfer this minus 10 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 10. So 7x is equals to 56. X is equals to 56 by 7. It is 8. So here you get your first coordinate 8 and minus 2. Right? You need to put your own logic. So here if you put y is equals to minus 2, you will get x is equals to 8. So first point you get here. Okay, now for the second point. Now this time we try to put the value of x here. So here 7x plus 5y is equals to 46. Now if you put value of x here, then it finally you need to get answer like this, means a multiple of 5. Okay, we want answer as a multiple of 5, right? So you cannot now here in left hand side it is a multiple of 7 if we put the value of x, right? So first of all 7 ones are 7. 46 minus 7, it is not a multiple of 5, right? Then you can subtract 46. Yes, 46 minus 14, it is 32. Then even you do not get the multiple of 5, right? Then 46 minus 21, it's a 25. Yes, perfect, right? 46 minus 21, it is 25. 25 is a multiple of 5. Okay, so we use this thing. So in left hand side we want 21. So put the value of x is equals to 3. So here's 7 into 3 plus 5y is equals to 46. Now 7 3s are 21 plus 5y 46. Transfer this 21 to the right hand side. So 46 minus 21. So 5y is equals to 25. Then transfer this 5 to the left hand side. So 25 by 5. Okay, so y is equals to 25 by 5. Y is equals to 5. So this is your second point. X is equals to 3, y is equals to 5. Okay, you need to set up the values. Okay, so right now our points are ready. So first point is a 10 0. It lies on the x-axis here. Second point is a 3 5. So in x it is 3, and at y 1 2 3 4 5 here. So this point meet here 3 5. Right? Now pass one line from this 2 points, so you get your first line. At last you can write the equation. Now for second line 8 minus 2. So in x 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and minus 2 it is here. Okay, so it is in fourth quadrant, 8 minus 2. Then second point is 3 5. 3 5 you already mark here. Now pass second line from this two equation, from this 2 points, so you get your second line. Now find the intersection point of this two line. Already we find it 3 5. Okay, because 3 5 here we get in both the equation. So 3 5 is the intersection point of both this line. So this is our answer. 3 5. X is equals to 3, y is equals to 5. Right? X is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5. Now x means our cost of pencil. So cost of pencil is equals to 3 rupees, and cost of pen, one pen, is equals to y 5. So 5 rupees. Okay, cost of one pencil is equals to 3 rupees. Cost of one pen is equals to 5 rupees. This is our final answer. So first of all, read the question carefully, then try to form our two equations, and then find out two point from from two equations. Then pass one line from that 2 point. You will get your two lines, and try to find intersection point of both this line, and that intersection point is your final answer. Okay, if you have any doubt, then write down in comment section. Thank you.